Testing, testing. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's Mikah. It's been a long minute since I've made a video. These are not typically videos I would make. However, Kai R here, I think he should change his name to Cairo, but whatever. Why are you being shy?
I'm not.
You have your own channel. Don't be shy.
Okay.
Why are you mad?
I don't know.
Anyway, he had a birthday and I didn't know what to get him, so I decided to buy him an overpriced backpack. And when I was researching these backpacks, I found a lot of knockoffs and I thought, I want to buy a knockoff too and do a side-by-side comparison. So, let's pull out option number 1.
The knockoff? Okay.
Okay.
Oops, it folded.
So at a first glance, I pulled it out of the package. It hails from China. China, China, China. I love that show. Fresh off the boat. I don't know if you guys have watched it. You're missing out.
That's funny.
Anyway, if you pull it out, at first glance, you'll notice here, there's some white strings hanging out of the black zipper cables. Here too. I think that would be an easy fix if you wanted to trim it or mark it with Sharpie.
Trim it, then mark it with Sharpie.
Double fix. But, you know, at first glance, comparing the pictures from what I saw on SupremeNYC.com and some of the pictures I had seen online, it looked
similar.
Yeah, it looked pretty similar, you know. The one other thing I didn't like is, what did we notice here?
The stitching is like really loose.
Well, it's not loose, but there's like too much material
Hanging off the sides.
Right.
And the letters aren't stitched as nicely. Here, hold it up a little.
It'll be Vanna White.
Stitched as nicely as the real one. And they're kind of raised.
We'll show you. However, it did have, although this is crooked, we'll get into more about that. It has the red Supreme tag. It has the Cordura, I think I'm saying that, brand fabric tag, and we'll tell you about the details of those in a minute.
Surprisingly, on the fake one, here, they were able to get a Supreme tag on it. It's kind of funny to me.
Yeah, but one of the ways I researched knockoffs is see how there's this space between the letters? It's too much space. You see how there's not hardly any space between those letters?
Let me see.
Here. Not so much on that. This. Look. Between the S and the U and the P. See it?
Oh.
I did my research.
Nice.
Okay, now let's pull out option number 2.
Okay. So,
Initially, let's just do the colors. I'm fake.
I'm real.
Look how much, here, put a little bit closer. There you go. So this is a deeper black. It's a little more rich. You can just kind of tell it's a prettier black. Darker black.
It's darker.
Yeah. So this tag here is nice, and you don't have any excess fabric. Sorry, I'm like totally blocking your face. Is it?
Okay.
And this one's a little bigger. So you want to hold the fake guy? The knockoff. So hold them up. Sorry, we're like totally illy prepared for this, but you can kind of tell. Fold that flap down. There you go. The real one is a little bit bigger.
See, and this one, like, as you can see, it doesn't have as much structure. It's kind of bendy.
There it goes. Wait, hold it. Hold it.
Oh. Really easily.
This one has more structure in the back, like to protect a laptop.
See, if you're just holding it from the bottom, it leans one way or the other.
Let's do, this is my favorite part. This one. Nope, flip it.
Oh.
These guys.
This?
Again, at a first glance, before I knew, really. Hold on. Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
The darker red is the real one.
So the real Supreme has a deeper, rich red, kind of like the black. And you can tell the knockoff has a little more of an orange red tag. And it's crooked. That's kind of weird. But anyway, like I said, at a glance, this would probably be kind of fine. This one is much better, especially side by side. So then the other thing we noticed is thickness of the straps.
This one, it feels like they just slipped like some plastic in here.
Yeah, this one has cushion. It's nice and squishy.
And this one just like, it just has plastic, like little plastic board.
This looks almost exactly the same.
Yeah, I'd say it's the same.
The actual Supreme, what would you call this? Whatever this is.
Handle
Handle.
strap thing, surrounder.
Those look almost identical to me, and they feel almost identical. These cup holder deals, the knockoff is a little thinner, but it's not bad. And the
Most
knockoff
of the
isn't bad
fabric.
quality.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's not bad quality though.
And I just noticed this. So the straps right here, and a lot of the straps. So as you can see, this one, it's a little thicker. There's
I
like,
see what you're saying.
Yeah.
It doesn't go straight across.
and this one just kind of hangs down.
Back it up. There we go. So yeah. So anyway, real knockoff. So this came, like I said, this came from China, from an eBay shop. Had a lot of really good reviews. It didn't, I mean, I think, I want to say it said new with tags. I don't remember what it said exactly about being legit Supreme. They claimed to be because they had the actual other Supreme bags in their pictures, like from the website.
Oh, but people just said it was knockoff?
No, I could just tell. Like if it comes from China and it costs $50, $60, it's not real. It's too good to be true. If it sounds too good to be true,
Then it probably is.
kids and adults, or if someone is too good to be true, you know, you're gonna find out that they came from China. Just kidding.
Oh,
Just kidding.
ouch.
He's from China. That's why I said that. I love you. You're awesome. You know I love you. Anyway,
All right.
basically, that's it.
Thank you for watching.
All right, thanks guys. So sorry, this isn't a typical usual video for either of us,
No.
but I just thought it'd be very interesting to compare the two. These are sold out on the website. They were anyway. I think you can get them from some legitimate eBay resellers. They're not retailers, they're resellers.
Oh, yeah.
Like the Croatian style. He's a legit Supreme reseller. But they're going to be running you over $200, where on the website from supremenyc.com were $158.
So it's just better to use supremenyc.com if you want to buy real.
Or don't buy it. Don't, just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's nice. It's good. Whatever. It's not my thing, but
It is a nice.
happy B-Day, bro.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.